Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to Globo Arte Magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, we're gonna be seeing what actually sells under the Spreadshirt because I've been getting a few comments which platform was the best, the Jazzle or the Spreadshirt, and what actually sells on both these platforms. I have already talked about Jazzle, what sells on Jazzle. I'm gonna leave that video in the card section above. You can check it out, what actually sells on the Jazzle, what are the right products you need to design and upload on the Jazzle to actually make money. So today we're going to look at the Spreadshirt and see what actually sells on the Spreadshirt and how you can make money by selling on as a print-on-demand seller or as an artist and designer onto the Spreadshirt. So let's over to my laptop and the process begin. Before we go to part, consider clicking the like button guys. I really appreciate that. If you want more such video, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon because we upload daily videos, and when we do so you'll be getting notified about it. Also we have the bunch of the free resources, the link are in the description box below. Simply head over to globalcreative.com, check out the freebies that we have. Make sure to check it out each month, and it contains a full commercial license so you can use it. Let's over to the laptop and the process begins. Let's see what actually sells on the Spreadshirt and how we can take an advantage of that and can make from that. Now on the very first page itself, you can gonna see the bunch of the different stuffs over here. These are the best sellers. Now this is the one of the most important category where you can look for what are the things that are among the best sellers and what you can utilize it. Then they have the stickers, the separate option, then the gifts are there, then the men, women, then the kids and babies. Then here is a TV and movie merchandise, accessories, posters, home living, and so on and so forth. So we're gonna be looking at let me just scroll down. Let's see the hit list. So this is the type of the niches you can target. That's a funny, the vintage, the funny gym, geek, vegan, 50th birthday, science, couples. This is the hit list you can target, and these are the designs that are trending, and the niches like the camping, the hiking, the born in July, the couples, yoga, graduation, vintage, Japanese. These are the products that are, these are the design niches which you can target. Then head of the class, check out our featured designers. You can very well check out the designers and what they are actually selling. So let me just see this designer and what they're selling. So open the link in new tab and we're gonna see what this designer is selling and why they are the best featured artist or featured designer onto the Spreadshirt, and what we can do to get our products also featured and get being as a featured designer. Okay guys, so let me just see. Okay, so you can see they have the text-based design. This is kind of like a boo-boo design. I think this could relate to the Halloween. This is another same different color variant over here. Then simple text-based designs are there. This is let's just go over and we're gonna look at the best sellers, because why these things are bestseller and how we can take an idea from that. So let's just go over to the bestseller option. I will see what kind of niches and designs are popular and are in the bestseller. So this one you can see guys over here, the women's sport t-shirts. This is on the very first page itself. That means the t-shirts are selling well. Now the text-based design in between the graphic is there. So you can get an idea. This is a sticker. Then this is the computer, say their names, Black Lives Matter. So this is a trending topic. That's why this niche is, this design is quite popular. Camping. So camping is one of the most common niches, camping and hiking right now, because since it's the summer and people love adventurous sports, especially in the summer. So I think this is one of the niche that you can target right now. It's in trending right now. You can target camping and you can make the products around it to get the sales. Another thing is a simple text-based design. Like this is simple text-based design guys, like the iron never lies. So you can see these are quite simple. This one is quite simple text-based design, and this is again a sticker, ramen life. So food niche is always popular. You can target the ramen. This is with the cat. You can target with a different animal and can sell. Now these are some niches or some design ideas which you can target right now. These can be trending and these can be evergreen. Like camping and hiking, kind of like a trending niches, because especially it's the summer, only you're gonna get good sales. Maybe people would buy in the winters, but it's more likely to be in the summer. So kind of like a more of trending. I think ramen is kind of like an evergreen niche. This one is the bunny pose carrot. Okay, let's scroll down. This is again a Black Lives Matter. So most of the designs are quite simple text-based. Now this is a text-based design master builder. Multiple color over here. This is the sticker design. Techosaurus. Food has been combined with that. So this is again, a love is a human right. I think this one is common because in the June, there was the Pride month. June was a Pride month, and there was like equality, humanity, and all those kind of stuffs are quite popular. Was there in the June, so that's why this design is trending. And maybe it would be trending all throughout the year, but most of the sales I think I will be getting in the June month. So this one is also the text-based design. So I see, guys, most of these are the text-based designs, especially the white text on a black background, or either you can have multicolored text-based designs, multicolored text colors codes on a t-shirt. Again, this is a simple white codes on a black sweatshirt. So it's quite simple and quite easy. Fireworks, I run, you run. Again, it's a simple text-based iPhone case. So I think that if you're a completely newbie on the Spreadshirt, you can very well hop up with the text-based design, because I see on the very first page itself that the text-based designs are quite popular. And people are just making it. This is quite simple. Like some text-based design are so simple that anyone can make it in the Canva itself. This one is a simple lightning bolt, so simple. This one is related to the COVID-19. So due to the trend, it's a trending design. That's why it's trending. Like if you're targeting the COVID niche, then this could be your design or niche idea. It's a simple text-based design, guys. Nothing big fancy over here. Anyone can make it. Let me just go. Language is this? I don't know. It's in different language, but I think it's quite popular and easy to make. Let me just scroll down. This one is also like simple text-based design. Blue text on the black background. Again, a bolts, fire bolts. So these designs are very simple. Some are there in the trending. Some of them are in kind of like a evergreen niches. Fight the stigma, mental health awareness. So I think it's related to the mental health awareness day. So that's why this design is popular over here. It's kind of like related to niche trend. Ibida Viva Cuba Libre. Okay, so it's in Spanish. So I think that it's maybe due to the trends. That's why it's quite popular over here. Again, this one, the Pique Polo t-shirt. So I think that most of the products that are selling onto the Spreadshirt are kind of like a stickers, shirts, t-shirts, pullovers. You can very well go over here and see the different kinds of products and can target the products according to it. But I can see that if you're making a simple text-based design, then also you can get the sales on the Spreadshirt. It's just that you need to go with the right kind of niche, and then obviously the right kind of keywords, title, tag, description, everything according to it. But I feel like it's much more easy to sell onto the Spreadshirt. On the Jazzle, you need to create the templates, but here there is no need to create the templates. You can create a simple text-based design and upload on the Jazzle. Boom. That's all you need to do over here. Let's come over again to the bestseller, and we're just gonna see the t-shirt design, and let's see what kind of like t-shirt design are the most popular. Those were all the products. Now I'm just specifically looking for the t-shirt, because I feel like the t-shirts are the number one product that are selling, because the Spreadshirt, the name of the company, very well indicates that the clothing would be quite popular, the shirt would be quite popular, the t-shirt, the long sleeve shirts, or the sweatshirt, whatever it is, it would be more popular. So that this is a quite simple text-based design. Laundry is the only thing that should be separated by the color. So it's kind of like related to the It's related to the Black Lives Matter, where the equality of the human rights. So that's why this design is popular. So if you're creating a simple code-based design, a simple text-based design, you're gonna get sales on the Spreadshirt, because that's what I'm seeing on the very first page itself. This is a Roman life I've already talked about. This is again a text-based design, and again this Black Lives Matter I already talked about. And these are the different kinds of ideas, like the bat and all over here. Again, text-based design. This is a unicorn with the rainbow. So unicorn and rainbow designs are quite popular. Like these are kind of like an evergreen, and people love to create them. So I think this one is the most popular over here. Let me just scroll down. Again, the t-shirt based design, text-based design. This one is kind of like related to the vacation, the summer vacation. That's why it's trending over here. So I think guys, you can create different kind of clothing on the Spreadshirt and have get started with the text-based design. These are selling amazingly well. If you are a completely newbie, you don't know how to design, then going with the text-based design is an awesome option. And you can see on the very first page, the text-based designs are popular. So that means they are selling well. So that's what I see. I hope you find this video useful and enjoyable. Know what actually sells on the Spreadshirt and how you can make money with the Spreadshirt. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you really find it useful and enjoyable. Do let me know in the comment section below what you think. If you want more such video, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.